So again, I'm using you can use any serum just so your machine will glide. So I'm actually just wetting especially the portion of my nose, because this is where I have a lot of blackheads. So now I'm gonna use this metal scrubber. This is a deep cleansing also. So because it's blackheads, I need more help rather than just regular exfoliation. So I'm gonna press my machine up to the third time for deep cleansing. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this, but I definitely have a lot of blackheads, and as I'm using the machine, the blackheads are here. Can you see it? So I have an antibacterial wipes to keep on wiping the dirt from my face, or sebum actually. So again, I pressed it 3 times to enter deep cleansing. So you see the word clean, and then you hear that motion. So there, I'm gonna try to press it again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's the deep cleansing. So I'm gonna keep on removing my blackheads. So I do this procedure before I do my BB glow or my CC rejuve. Make sure my skin is clean so that I won't waste my ampules. Because if my skin is not clean, it will be on the surface of my skin. It will not be absorbed, no matter how much I do my microneedling. So, of course, if you have work done on your nose, you can't do this. So that's how I clean my skin first. So you just keep on doing that until you're all clean. Then you continue to your microneedling or your facial or whatever things you want to do at home. Okay, so there's another functionality of this. You see that my face is so red and inflamed right now. So I'm going to this time use nutrition, and I'm going to apply a serum or a moisturizer, and then help it be absorbed by this machine. So instead of moisturizer, I'm gonna use the other side of the second part of my mask set, which is actually a mask. So I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes to moisturize my skin, and I'm gonna take my facial scrubber again because it has ultrasonic and it firms and lifts the skin. It also has ionic technology. So I'm going to apply this for 10 minutes and I'll get back to you shortly. So now I'm wearing my mask and I'm leaving this for 10 minutes because for moisture. Normally before the mask I do my BB glow procedure, but today we're just talking about exfoliating. The purpose of exfoliating is so that your products like the serum that's on this mask will be absorbed by your skin well. So why 10 minutes? 10 minutes because my teacher from Korea told me normally when you read your mask you see 15 minutes, 20 minutes, leave it on for 20 minutes. Okay, so she said there is this thing called osmosis. You know that when one side of an object has more moisture compared to the other side of an object, just like when it's raining and you're in your car and moisture seems to just appear inside your car because there's more water outside your car. So naturally, because of osmosis, water seeps inside the car. So also when you're in a swimming pool, You know, when you are outside and there's a lot of water, and that water, or sorry, when you're in the beach, yeah, swimming pool, there's so much water outside, it drains the moisture inside you. So like your hands feel wrinkly after. That's what my Korean teacher said, that if there's moisture outside that is there too long, instead of it making you more moisturized, it actually dries up your skin. So we really just have to leave your masks on for about 10 minutes. Okay, so the mask that I'm using right now, I've been everywhere. I went to a lot of beauty conferences around the world, but I've never seen a mask so luxurious compared to Dr. Yam's. So we used to carry a lot of masks before, but we discontinued everything else, and we just kept and stayed with Dr. Yam's. We have a lot of loyal clients to Dr. Yam's. So okay, so let's just say I already had 10 minutes, but really I barely have. Probably just 3 or 5 minutes. But for the purposes of this video, there. So you see my face is still wet. If you don't want to do a mask, you can apply your own moisturizer or serum. All right, so now I'm going to maximize my machine. I'm just gonna turn this on again. And I'm going to, this is the first press, which is clean. You hear that pulsating sound. Okay, that is the part that is supposed to help your skin be lifted. Okay, so it's a pulsed wave motion. Okay, so it's the third press. You hear that pulsed sonic vibration. So I'm gonna use my machine now, this time not to get the impurities out, but I'm going to use the flat part. As soon as it hits my skin, you hear the sound become stronger, because this is actually working. The sonic waves are actually working. So I use this to lift my skin. So if you're actually observing my skin, one side here is fluffy, and this side is now becoming slimmer. Sorry, the camera is there. It's slimmer. You see that? It's slimmer compared to this one. So this is what I do. I lift my face with this because I have no plans of doing facelifts. Not in the near future. So there, I maximize my machine. I actually still have an eye machine. There. This is to help remove the puffiness of nose. So my nose is so red now already. Just like when you get a facial, it really becomes so red. So if you notice, one side of the face is more lifted now. So these tiny machines that we have, they're very powerful. So again, it helped me remove the impurities in my nose, and now it's helping me lift my skin. There are also machines like this in when you have big facial machines. So again, this helps me close my pores, especially the ones that I just pricked. Remove inflammation. Okay, stimulate my collagen if there are scars. I get pimples every now and then, but I don't get scars because of the products that I use. It makes your skin more elastic. So there, my dehydrated skin has been revived by exfoliation and use of machines. So I'm just gonna wait for the redness to go down. Thank you.